Okay, so this video angle is a little weird, y'all. Sorry, something happened with my camera, but I am going in with the Sexy Smooth Wax because I was like, it's been a minute since I pulled her out. Let me just pull her out real quick. This is the Hypnotic Purple Seduction, I believe, and it's wonderful. The dry time is so quick, and the grip is just amazing. I know you see that. I'm gonna get a better angle for all you weirdos like me. Look at that. Look at them follicles. It's so good. And of course, I am still going in the direction of her hair growth. I noticed I picked up a little too much wax that other time, so I'm kind of being mindful with how much wax I pick up. It dries in like literally 10 seconds, y'all. Like, this is one of the quickest waxes I've ever used. And I like its formula because it's like a hybrid, like film and gel, I want to say. It's really quick. It kind of like mimics a film, but is not as filmy as film. I don't know. Like, what are the words? But I'm going in here and I'm kind of grabbing some of those breadcrumbs. So I'm doing a little stagger dagger pull as such. And I got barely anything because it did that the first time. And then I'm going to finish off her service with a little bit of fur oil. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for the support.